We are Heavydrive. Our job consists in offering you, as our customer, the ideal glazing solution for any installation site, whether small or large, keeping it simple, fast, and safe. This, for instance, is a control tower like the one in Munich, where we replaced the glass panels 2 years ago. The panes weigh 300 kilos each. We use a small crane, the MRK 55, having a lifting capacity of 1 ton and featuring a front-mounted manipulator. In this situation, we install the glass pane from the outside in. That means guiding the pane inside through the same opening without exceeding the floor load capacity. The crane moves back again after setting down the panel on blocks. And that's it. It just takes 5 to 10 minutes and then the job is done, in real time. For installation works at great heights, we opt for an overhead solution. In our model, it's the control tower windows that need glazing. This means we've got a very high building with its windows inclined outwards. For this job, we need a special overhead manipulator. Hauling 300 kilo heavy panes into the building would otherwise be an extremely laborious task. Therefore, we use the same approach as before. We just mount a quick change head to a large crane and then the pane can be replaced or fitted within only 5 to 10 minutes. Let's move over to this building on the right. Being a 5-story building, it could represent the Munich satellite terminal, finished only 2 years ago, where our company installed the 800 kilo heavy glass panes. As you can see here, the panes measure 3.2 meters in width, 3.5 meters in height, and 800 kilos in weight. Buildings generally feature overhangs. In our case, the overhang measures 2 to 3 meters. Overhangs always cause difficulties when it comes to installing panes, probably for every assembler. For this job, we've especially set up a counterweight traverse. This, of course, is only a mini-scale model. In reality, we have a large number of these systems in our warehouse on offer for rental worldwide, with or without operators. We're now adapting a vacuum suction equipment by using our Heavydrive quick change system called SWS. This procedure takes no time at all. We just pull 3 pins, mount the suction system, insert 3 pins, and we're done. Employing remote control, we can effortlessly fit the pane in the opening. The installation of panes in buildings featuring an overhang of up to 3 meters can be executed without any difficulties by means of a counterweight traverse. Let's now go one step further and deal with the question of how to save time. The building has 5 stories, so we need to install panes weighing 800 kilos on each floor. For our demo, we have prepared large vacuum suction system with a lifting capacity of 6 tons, the largest one we have. Again, a quick change head is mounted to the system. We do not opt for 5 single panes, but for 1 pane only, having exactly the same dimensions as the entire opening. The building is 24 meters high, so we choose a pane measuring 24 meters in length and 3.2 meters in width. The pane, still mounted on a glass rack, is adapted, lifted by suction, guided inside and set down. 4 men, 4 corners. With a large scale or small, we always follow the same procedure. Within 10 to 15 minutes, the pane is installed.